Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach. I'm going to show you a brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. Boat's equipped with joystick piloting, 300 horsepower V8 Mercury Verados, underwater LED lights. Let's walk inside and take a look at some of the upgraded options this boat has. First thing you're going to notice is look at all the seating that this boat has. Won an innovation award for the different seating positions that you can create. They're all on hydraulics, so you can easily turn this into any kind of social zone setting that you want. Looking at the starboard side, got a nice dive door, ladder and handle, freshwater shower. Also equipped this boat with the summer kitchen option, which gives you the 12-volt refrigerator as well as a electric barbecue grill. You do have a live well here that's insulated, so not only can you take this boat out with your family and friends and go bar hopping, island hopping, sandbar, cruising, you also can do a little bit of fishing. We got rod holders, live well, lots of shade coverage right here coming out of the hard top. A nice cabin on the port side, the couch that converts to a berth, and then here's your joystick. Got the new 16-inch Marine Axiom Pro, 7-inch vessel view display, VHF radio. The boat is turnkey, ready to go. It's got every option you could possibly want. Here's your starboard side head. When we go forward, the boat's also equipped with the option for the sun pad filler cushion that's right here, that goes right on these chocks in the center. Really nice lounge area in the front. We also have a freshwater shower, anchor windlass here, a bow shade, so you can have complete shade coverage from the bow all the way to the stern. This is a 2020 Boston Whaler 32 Vantage, available at MarineMax Pompano Beach. Give me a call, Justin Costello, 954-633-2070.